In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Go to your home dashboard. Choose the project where you want to create your CRM. Hover over the project and click the three dots. Select Template. Click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type CRM. Look through the available CRM templates. Choose one that fits your needs. Click Use Template. Enter a name for your CRM. Customize the fields and statuses if needed. Click Use Template again to apply it. Your CRM will now be created in your workspace. Open it to explore the lists and views. Add your contacts and deal information. Update statuses to track progress. Customize fields as your workflow grows. That is how you set up a simple CRM in ClickUp.